Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Best practices for testing web applications. Good practices to follow while testing a web application include 1. Integrate exploratory testing. Exploratory testing can serve as a strong complement to other web app checks by discovering errors in a semi-structured but unscripted way. 2. Prioritize cross-browser compatibility. The browsers that people use to access the internet might look similar and achieve the same results, but their architectures can often be entirely different. 3. Decide on appropriate parameters. When quality assurance teams test the web app's functionality, they should agree on the expected parameters in advance and make sure these are sensible. 4. Evaluate different performance conditions. It's also paramount that testers check the web app's performance in different scenarios, such as if the browser is experiencing a heavy load. 5. Validate the app security. Any vulnerabilities present within the web application can leave the website open to malware and other cyber threats. So testers must implement web application security testing. They can even hire ethical hackers to help inspect the app from every possible angle, exploiting common security problems that the developers aren't aware of. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.